Okay guys, ever wanted a simple, professional way to introduce your brand or share what makes it special without a boring, plain text section? Well, this section makes it look genuinely polished. Today we're adding this About Us section to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK About Us number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type Brand, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. First, let's take a quick look through all the settings available here. Now, let's add an image. Whatever you want to showcase, you can add your own photo or something that represents your brand's identity. There's no link option here, otherwise I could have added a product too. Scrolling down a bit, you'll find the heading, which I'll change to Free to Install, since Section Kit really is free to install, and you can explore it freely. Along with that, let's update the description too, changing it to 500 plus premium sections. After this, scroll down and you can adjust this card and image's padding, width, and size, but I won't be making changes there right now, since it already looks good to me. The image is just cropped slightly from the top, which is more of a sizing issue on my end. Below that, you'll find color options, where you can change everything: the heading color, description color, image background, accent color, that small line you see, and even the card's background color. After colors comes spacing, which you can also adjust based on your needs, but I'll leave that as is for now too. Once you're done with all that, scroll up to the top of the section and you'll find different layout options. If any of these look better to you, feel free to use them. But I personally like the first one, since it matches the demo exactly. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.